Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up membership sites with Weebly. This is a fantastic way to create exclusive content areas on your website, allowing you to build a community or offer premium content to registered users. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage, which serves as your dashboard for managing all your websites and content. Now take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled website. Go ahead and click on it. This will expand to show you additional options. From there, click on Edit Site. This step brings up all the websites you've created with Weebly, allowing you to choose which one you want to work on. Select the website where you'd like to set up your membership area. Once you've chosen your site, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This opens up your website editor, giving you access to all the tools and settings you need to customize your site. In the top menu of your editor, find and click on Settings. This is where you'll access the core configuration options for your website, including features like SEO, domains, and importantly for us today, membership settings. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left side menu and find the option labeled Members. Click on it to access the membership settings page. Before we go further, here's an important reminder. Adding membership functionality to your Weebly site requires you to upgrade your plan. The basic free plan doesn't include this feature, so you'll need to ensure you're on a paid plan that supports membership areas. Within the member settings page, you'll find several powerful options to customize your membership experience. You can control who can log in or register on your site, which gives you flexibility in managing access. You'll also have the ability to allow people to register directly on your site, making it easy for new members to join. Additionally, you can manually add members yourself if you prefer to control who gets access. There's also a feature for adding groups, which is perfect if you want to create different membership tiers or organize your members into specific categories. And there you have it. You've now configured the membership settings for your Weebly site, giving you complete control over who accesses your exclusive content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.